Forget having loads of pans on the go. Today we're making a full roast dinner using just one roasting pan. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. Now the key to making a whole roast dinner in one pan is to put the veggies in at different times, so they all cook and finish at the same time, and so we retain that lovely colour, vibrancy and the crunch as well. So let's get cooking. We're going to start by seasoning the lamb. First I like to score the fatty bits of the lamb lightly with a sharp knife, and then using your hands rub a tablespoon of olive oil into the meat and sprinkle with half a teaspoon each of salt, freshly ground black pepper and dried rosemary. Now transfer the lamb to a large roasting tin, and we're going to place that in an oven preheated to 180C or 350F for about an hour and 15 minutes. After an hour and 15 minutes, baste the lamb and then arrange 4 medium potatoes that have been scrubbed and chopped into large chunks around the lamb. Then drizzle the potatoes with 2 tablespoons of olive oil and sprinkle with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and pepper and half a teaspoon of dried thyme, and then toss it all together in the meat juices as well. Return the lamb to the oven and cook uncovered for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, open the oven and turn the potatoes. Then add in 3 carrots and 3 parsnips that have been peeled and chopped into bite-sized chunks. We're also going to add in 10 large radishes that have been sliced in half. Turn them in the oil and the meat juices to coat, and then return to the oven for a further 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, we're going to add in 100 grams, which is about 3.5 ounces of extra fine green beans, plus 150 grams, which is about 5.5 ounces of sliced runner beans. Turn them over to coat them in the oil and meat juices and sprinkle on 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and pepper over all of the vegetables, and then return to the oven for a final 15 minutes. Remove from the oven and place the lamb and vegetables on a warm serving plate to serve. And that's my one-pan lamb roast dinner. Now if you wanted some gravy to go with that lamb roast dinner, then you can take the meat and the veggies out of the pan. There'll still be some lovely juices left at the bottom of there. And then you can add in a little bit of lamb stock and a little bit of cornflour slurry and bring it to the boil, and you'll have some lovely gravy to go with it. See you next time.